Hi. I have a message for someone, everyone, all of us, and the message goes like this in a form of a song. Open the floodgates in abundance and cause your rain to fall on us. Baba. Open the floodgates in abundance and cause your rain to fall on us. Baba, oh, Baba, oh. Baba, oh, let it rain. Baba, oh, rain of abundance, rain of wealth, rain of open doors, rain of contracts, rain of jobs, rain of babies, rain of wealth, rain of the best partner, ordained partner God has given us, rain of open doors, great open doors that God has given everybody. Let Baba God, our Jehovah Nissi, our El Shaddai, our King of Kings, Lord of Lords, the Ancient of Days, pour his rain, abundant rain of blessings, in whichever way that he wants, in time and season, and it will come upon every one of us in the name of Jesus. God bless you and keep you. Please pray without season. I wish you well. Peace and love, FTA.